Hey beautiful souls, have you ever noticed how our hands can reveal our age faster than our faces? If you're looking for ways to keep your hands looking as young as you feel, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm sharing 10 expert tips that will have your hands looking wrinkle-free, youthful, and absolutely beautiful. You won't want to miss these, so make sure you stick around to the end for a special bonus tip. Now, let's dive right into these hand-rejuvenating tips. Let's kick things off with the golden rule of youthful-looking skin: moisturization. The skin on our hands is much thinner than on our faces, making it more prone to dryness and those telltale signs of aging. Look for rich creams containing hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Apply it generously several times a day, especially after washing your hands. Want a pro tip? Slather on a thick layer of your favorite hand cream at night and wear a pair of soft cotton gloves to bed. Your hands will wake up feeling baby soft. Next up is our secret weapon against premature aging: sunscreen. Your hands need protection from the sun just as much as your face does. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to your hands every single day, even when it's cloudy outside. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside for long periods or washing your hands frequently. Now let's talk about exfoliation. Just like your face, your hands can accumulate dead skin cells, leaving them looking dull and rough. Use a gentle scrub once or twice a week to buff away those old cells and reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. Try mixing sugar with olive oil for a DIY scrub. Massage this mixture onto your hands for a minute or two, then rinse off with warm water. You'll be amazed at how soft and rejuvenated your hands feel. Here are a few more suggestions of simple and effective DIY recipes for homemade hand scrubs using common ingredients. Each one can be customized based on your preferences. 1. Sugar and olive oil. Scrub ingredients: 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup olive oil. Optional, a few drops of essential oil like lavender or lemon. Instructions: mix the sugar and olive oil in a bowl until well combined. Add essential oil if desired and mix again. Use the scrub on damp hands, gently massaging in circular motions, then rinse off. 1. Brown sugar and honey scrub ingredients: 1 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup honey. Optional, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Instructions: mix the brown sugar and honey in a bowl. Add coconut oil for extra moisture if you like. Apply to hands, scrub gently, and rinse well. 1. Coffee grounds scrub ingredients: 1 cup coffee grounds, used or fresh. 1/2 cup coconut oil, melted. Optional, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: combine coffee grounds and melted coconut oil. Stir in vanilla extract if desired. Scrub on hands, focusing on areas that need extra care, then rinse. 1. Sea salt and lemon scrub ingredients: 1 cup sea salt, 1/2 cup olive oil or avocado oil. Juice of 1 lemon. Instructions: in a bowl, mix sea salt, oil, and lemon juice until combined. Massage scrub onto hands, then rinse off for a refreshing feel. 1. Oatmeal and yogurt scrub ingredients: 1 cup oats, finely ground. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. Optional, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: mix the ground oats and yogurt and add honey if using. Apply to hands, scrub gently, and rinse to reveal soft skin. Tips for use: always test new scrubs to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Store any leftover scrub in a sealed container for up to a week. Refrigerate if it contains fresh items. Follow up with a moisturizer after scrubbing to lock in hydration. Enjoy pampering your hands with these simple, natural scrubs. Let's talk about hydration. Drinking water is essential for our overall health and plays a major role in keeping our skin looking youthful and radiant. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. This will keep your hands hydrated and benefit your entire body. Now let's not forget about our nails. Our nails can be a telltale sign of aging, but with a little TLC, we can keep them looking healthy and strong. Keep your nails trimmed and filed into a shape you love. This prevents snags and breakage. Invest in a good quality strengthening polish to protect your nails from everyday wear and tear. Massage in a cuticle oil or cream regularly to keep them hydrated and healthy. Your nails and hands will thank you. Did you know that what you eat can impact the appearance of your skin? Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are like superheroes for your skin. They help to keep it hydrated, plump, and youthful looking. Vitamin C and E, found in colorful fruits and leafy greens, are essential for collagen production. Incorporate these skin-loving foods into your diet for a healthy, radiant glow from the inside out. We love a clean house, but those harsh chemicals found in many cleaning products can really do a number on our hands, stripping away natural oils and leaving them dry and irritated. Whenever you're tackling household chores that involve harsh chemicals, make sure to wear a pair of protective gloves. This will create a barrier between your skin and the harsh chemicals, protecting your hands from damage. And now, for that special bonus tip I promised you, it's time for a hand massage. Massaging your hands not only feels amazing, but it also helps to boost circulation, promoting healthy, youthful-looking hands. Apply a generous amount of your favorite hand cream or oil, and use your thumbs to massage the palms of your hands in circular motions. Work your way up to your fingers, gently pulling and rotating each one. This simple ritual will leave your hands feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and oh so soft. Let's talk about a natural beauty powerhouse that's been a skincare secret for centuries: castor oil. This incredible oil is jam-packed with fatty acids that deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. Every night before bed, warm up a few drops of castor oil in your palms. Gently massage it into your hands, paying extra attention to your cuticles and any dry areas. You'll wake up with incredibly soft and supple hands. Trust me, this is a game changer. Ready to pamper your hands with a luxurious spa-like treatment? Let's whip up a simple yet incredibly effective DIY scrub using shea butter and sugar. Shea butter is incredibly moisturizing and helps to heal and protect the skin barrier. Combined with sugar, a natural exfoliant, this scrub will leave your hands feeling baby soft and looking radiant. Simply mix equal parts shea butter and sugar in a bowl. Gently massage this scrub onto your hands for a minute or two, then rinse off with warm water. When looking for anti-aging hand creams, consider these key ingredients. 1. Retinol, promotes cell turnover and improves skin texture. 2. Peptides, support collagen production and enhance skin elasticity. 3. Hyaluronic acid, provides deep hydration and plumps up the skin. 4. Antioxidants, for example vitamin C and E, protect against free radicals and brighten skin. 5. Alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, exfoliate and improve skin renewal. 6. Sun protection, SPF, protects from UV damage, a major aging factor. 7. Ceramides, help restore the skin barrier and retain moisture. 8. Shea butter or cocoa butter, nourish and soften the skin. Look for a combination of these ingredients for the best anti-aging effects. For optimal hand care, here's a general rule of thumb for using scrubs and serums. For scrubs, frequency, 1 to 2 times per week, and the reason is this allows for effective exfoliation without overdoing it, preventing irritation or excessive dryness. For serums, frequency should be at least once or twice daily. Morning routine. Apply a serum in the morning for added hydration and protection, especially if it contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Evening routine. Use another application in the evening for overnight repair, especially if it has active ingredients like retinol. Some additional tips. 1. After using scrubs, always follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. 2. Monitor your skin's response. If it feels irritated, reduce the frequency. 3. Adjust the routine based on your skin type, so whether you have sensitive, dry, oily, or combination skin type. Also consider seasonal changes, as you need to up your frequency in winter and less in summer. Remember to listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Thanks for tuning in for these essential anti-aging tips for your hands. Start incorporating these tips into your routine today, and watch as your hands transform, becoming softer, smoother, and more youthful looking. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Sharing these beauty secrets with you brings me so much joy, and I can't wait to connect with you again in my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves, inside and out. See you in the next one.